In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit employee information in QuickBooks Online. Whether it's updating contact details or modifying employment information, managing your employee records with precision is crucial for maintaining up-to-date business records. By following these steps, you'll be able to make the necessary updates confidently and efficiently. To start, you'll want to head to the QuickBooks website. Open your preferred web browser and perform a simple Google search to find the QuickBooks Online page. You'll be looking for the official QuickBooks site in your search results, which is where you'll initiate the process. Once you've arrived on the QuickBooks homepage, the next step is to sign in. You'll find the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you're not already logged in, input your email address and your password. Remember, keeping your login information secure is important, so use a trusted device when accessing your account. Upon logging in, you'll land on your QuickBooks dashboard. Navigate to the section labeled Employees. This is where you'll find a list of all the employees associated with your QuickBooks account. Clicking on Employees will allow you to view and edit specific employee details. Now take a look through the list to find the employee whose information you need to update. Click on their name, and you'll be directed to their profile page. Here you can see all sorts of details about the employee, from personal information to their job title and more. To edit the information, locate and click on the Edit option. This option enables you to make changes to the employee's profile. You'll be allowed to modify fields like names, addresses, or other personal particulars. Simply click on the field you wish to change, and then enter the new information. This is your opportunity to ensure all details reflect the current and correct information. After making the necessary changes, don't forget to save your work. There should be a Save button at the bottom of the screen. Clicking this will ensure that your edits are stored in QuickBooks, updating your records accordingly. Additionally, if you also need to edit specific employment details such as job titles or departments, follow a similar procedure. Navigate to the employment section of the employee's profile, click Edit, make your desired changes, and remember to save. That's all there is to it. Editing employee information in QuickBooks Online is straightforward once you know where to look and what steps to follow. Keeping your records accurate is not only a good practice, but also essential for smooth business operations and reporting. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.